The Blackview BL5000 can be found on Blackview's own website, or it can be also purchased on AliExpress. You can get the phone in 3 different colours: Phantom Black, Flame Orange and Aurora Green. The spec sheet from the listing on AliExpress is shown on screen also, but let's go ahead and open the box and take a look at what we have. It does have a bit of weight to it. Whew. We do have the right-angled USB Type-C cable, which both ends are Type-C. We do have Blackview's 33-watt fast charging. Also do get the quick start guide, taking the plastic off the phone. The orange lip that goes around the phone as well as the screen are completely flat. The USB Type-C charging port is protected by this little flap. On the side, we have our fingerprint scanner, which doubles as a power button, as well as our volume rockers just there. On the top, we have absolutely nothing. And on the other side, we do have our SIM card tray. On the back of the phone is where things get really interesting. We've also got the RGB light just there, which is also the NFC logo. We've also got 5G and Blackview just printed on this. Well, is it glass? Yes, it is. So now that we actually have something on the screen, you can see the bezels a little bit better. We do have a bit of a chin. So at this point in time, I'm going to give the Telstra SIM a call and see how it sounds.
Testing the call quality on the Blackview BL5000. This is the earpiece, and this should be at 5G, I believe. Hope it sounds clear enough. And the microphone quality on the BL5000 sounds a little something like this.
Battery life, we got 92 hours. And as for the charging speed, I'll display it all on screen here. Okay, testing the camera quality of the Blackview BL5000. This is in 1080p 30fps with HDR on and EIS on. But in the end, they are just fairly average. The earpiece is not a secondary loudspeaker. We've only just got the single firing one at the bottom, but this is what it looks like. It actually does sound fairly clear. I'm going to compare these to the OnePlus Nord N10 and the OnePlus Nord CE, which are around the same price bracket as this phone. It's smooth. Steering feels a little heavy. This seems fine. Obviously, if you look down, it runs smooth. If you look up, it runs smooth. Even with everything on max settings with this, it's still more than playable. So this gaming phone does exactly what it's intended to do. Play games. Well, it survived. Of course it's going to survive. I'd say that would have killed it. We have a dud camera in this $400 phone. If the next model included a screen with a high refresh rate, a secondary loudspeaker, the dud camera being replaced by something else, and the cameras being slightly tweaked, then this would be a pretty good 5G rugged gaming phone. But unfortunately with its flaws, the market for smartphones at the moment is just almost endless, and at $400, picking up a Xiaomi or OnePlus device may just be a better option. But ultimately, it comes down to what you, as the consumer, want in a phone. Take care everyone, and I'll see you then. If you like this content, feel free to leave a like or a dislike if you didn't. Thanks heaps for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.